Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford F-350 King Ranch. This vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo engine, as well as comes in this nice black coloring. Taking a look at this vehicle, we can see here that we do have those backup cameras, and we do have those rear sensings. Taking a look at the back, we do have mud flaps on each tire, as well as gripped running boards, so the likelihood of me slipping is very slim. Taking a look at the front here, you can see that we do have those two tow hooks for all your towing necessities, as well as a block heater to plug in your car during the winter. This vehicle also comes with remote start, so no need to go out to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside of the vehicle, we can see that the door has this nice dark brown leathering, as well as has this nice cubbies and like a cup holder area for whatever you need. Taking a look at the seats here, it can seat up to 5 people, as we can see up there. And if you don't need that additional 5th person, we can always pull that down for some cup holders. And if you need some extra space for cargo, you can always lift this up for some extra cargo space. Taking a look at those cup holders, we can see that we do have those 2 cup holders there and some extra arm space. We do have 2 heated seats back here, USB-C, USB, 110 watt outlet, and a 12 volt outlet, and 2 cup holders right back here. And with the King Ranch logo, with some light brown interiors with some dark brown accents. Taking a look at the drivers and front passenger, we can see that the seats are powered and have the same King Ranch logo, light brown and dark brown leather. We also have a pedal adjuster, as well as a tailgate closer, or opener, my bad. We have our blind spot detection as well, and we can collapse our mirrors with this button right here. Taking a look at the vehicle we can see that we're at 16,896 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have our volume control, our phone controls, cruise controls, and our toggle for a screen up here, which you can go through My View, trip and fuel history, compass, and navigation, truck info, gauge, digital speedometer, engine info, and so on and so forth, towing status, trailer tire pressure, off-road, and settings such as blind spot, rear park aid, pre-collision, and your cruise control settings, gauge settings, and so on and so forth. Taking a look over here, we do have our 2 cup holders, but if you need some more, you can always move that to make it 4. We have a wireless charging pad, as well as a USB and a USB-C, our trailer backup assist, our trailer disconnect and reconnect, as well as the driver and front passenger have dual climate and heated and cooled seats. Moving up here, you have your all-wheel drive capabilities, as well as your 12 volt outlet and your 110 volt outlet. You have your media screen up here with your audio, climate control. You have heated steering wheel as well. You have your phone controls and your Bluetooth capabilities, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded. We do have Sirius XM capabilities, any settings, navigation, apps, Wi-Fi. You can get Wi-Fi set up in this vehicle. You have Ford Pass. You have your seat controls. This vehicle is capable with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your engine brake, your traction control, your hazards, as well as your downhill descent, lane keeping assistant, and your 360 camera. Taking a look up here, we also have your access for your moonroof and your 6 upfitter switches, which you can hook up to however you design. and your rear window opener. So as you can see there, you can open and close it however you'd like. You also have the ton of space, leg room for your passenger, and extra space for whatever you deem necessary. Oop, there we go. The driver's seat does have memory seating for up to 3 drivers, so that's pretty nifty. The stock number for this vehicle is B7524, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.